What's up you guys, and welcome back to the 7th video of this course. As you can see here, we are done with Maple's hair, and now we are going to focus on her eyelashes, eyebrows, and also her braces. But first of all, we want to add two loop cuts here and scale them in y-axis just for them to follow the reference image better. And now we are going to add a cube, scale it down, grab it up, scale it more down, and bring it at front. So first of all, we are going to model her eyebrows. So I'm going to be adding subdivision surface modifier to the cube, scale it down all the way. Now we are going to go into the edit mode, extrude this point here, move it down, as well as this one. So I'm going to extrude it, scale it down, and move it inside. So we are going to grab these vertices up a little bit so that they follow the reference image better. I'm going to shade smooth them, and from the side I will see how they look like. So I'm going to rotate in Z-axis. Like so. Let's see how they look like. Awesome. Now I'm going to rotate them a little bit more. Let's see it from the side. We are going to grab it more to the y-axis. Then let's rotate it a little bit more, and voila. So this is going to be our eyebrow. All transforms, and let's add a mirror modifier. Let's see if it's on point. So I'm going to press 3, and you can see that the eyebrows are right here. So I'm going to grab this one inside, and the other one we want to apply the mirror modifier, select it with L, then go to the side and grab it outside like this. So you can see now that we now see the side one as well as this one. Shade smooth, and let's add this material, just the same material as the hair, or we can simply add the black material. So let's see, we want to add the black, select it, awesome. Now let's add the eyelashes. So we can simply select the eyebrows, duplicate it, and separate it by selection. Now we can just set origin to the center of the mask so that we are going to be able to rotate it in its ways. Here, rotate in Z-axis like so, rotate here, and add it where the eyelash is. So now I'm going to get rid of the bottom one, move a little bit these vertices here, and well, let's scale it a little bit more. And this is going to be our eyebrow. I'm going to rotate it here in Z-axis so that it flattens a bit with the, yeah, so up to here. Let's grab it even more inside. Awesome. And now let's do the other one. We are going to select the eyebrow, Shift D, duplicate, scale it down, rotate, grab it outside, grab it inside as well. As we did this one, we want to do it the same with this one. Let's grab it up to here, and voila. So now let's go one more time in the edit mode. So let's select the big one. Let's move this one down, and let's create the shape of the eyebrow. So I'm going to pull it down, and you can see now it's much better. So I'm going to select them and join them together using Ctrl J or Command J. Now we are going to go back here to modifiers, add a mirror modifier. We want to press Ctrl A, all transforms. So let's create the location, rotation, and scale back. I'm going to apply the mirror modifier, and now once we are done with that, we will select this point and rotate it so that we have the eyelashes here as well as we have them here. So we are done with the eyelashes and with the eyebrows. You can see how she looks like. And now what's left are the braces. So we want to add a cube, scale it down, grab it up here. We want to add a subdivision surface modifier, increase the number of subdivisions to 2. Let's go in edit mode, select them, scale them in y-axis, and scale these two in z-axis. Now that we are done with that, let's rescale these in z-axis to make them this shape. I'm going to scale them up, and now once we are done here, I'm going to add one loop cut in the center. Now I'm going to grab these outside, select the middle vertices, and I'm going to grab them outside. So let's see how it looks like. Awesome. You can see the way they look like. And now I'm going to simply select it and I'm going to duplicate it here. Also, I'm going to scale it down a little bit only. Now I'm going to rotate this one in Z-axis and grab it in Y. Let's rotate it a little bit more. See it one more time in X-ray mode. So we want it to be a little bit outside. Let's rotate it even more. Let's see. Let's rotate it. Grab it. And voila. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the teeth. I'm going to separate this one by selection. Then I will add a mirror modifier onto it, and voila. Here we have our braces. Let's see, we can rotate this one a little bit inside. And also what we want to do, we want to apply the mirror modifier to these ones and then join these three to be together. Then I will see if everything is fine. And guys, we are done with Maple. So we have modeled it, and now in the next video I will show you how to apply some textures and materials. So I will see you there. Bye.